Good evening, folks. I'm back with another beautiful, gorgeous 2015 Ford Taurus Police Interceptor with 117,000 miles. Original bright white from factory. The vehicle is original bright white from factory, so it is going to have little scuff marks. It's going to have little scratches and some door dings. Vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and she is in immaculate running condition and shape. Everything has been done, folks. And she's literally in perfect running condition, folks. She's ready to go anywhere. She's ready to go to work. This was a Probation Department unit from the City of Sacramento, California. Once again, this was not a patrol. This was a Probation Department unit from the City of Sacramento, California. The vehicle does have a rear window tint, what it appears to be like a nice 15-20%, very see-through. Well, not very see-through, but you can see right through. There is no window tint on the front windows. Vehicle does have one hole in the roof. I did left the black rubber plug on there. I'm debating whether I should put an antenna on there or not. More than likely I probably will. Vehicle does have a working backup sensors and backup camera. Factory working backup sensors and backup camera. This is going to be a 3.7, folks, 3.7 all-wheel drive vehicle. This is not going to be a flex fuel. This is going to be a regular unleaded gasoline. Once again, this is not a flex fuel unit. It runs on regular fuel. 87 is fine. Folks, before I forget, I got to tell you that the vehicle does have a new set of takeoffs all around. Those are going to be the Goodyear Eagles RSA 245/55/18s. The tires that came with the vehicle, they were about maybe 5-30 seconds, not acceptable in my book. So I do have these tires on standby in my storage, so it doesn't cost me anything to go get them and install them. So yes, brand new set of takeoffs on these tires. DOT are going to be 2023. No spotlights on this vehicle whatsoever. Once again, no spotlights. Oh, let me backtrack. Before I forget, all four steel wheels are nice and gloss black. I did not have to refurbish them or recondition them. All right, so all four steel wheels are nice gloss black, so the perfect color combination for this unit. No signs of spotlights ever being installed on this vehicle. Folks, I gotta tell you, I do have one little scuff mark here on the front bumper cover. You guys can see that. It blends in with the vehicle, so it's hardly noticeable, but I gotta tell you, it's there. Also on the mirror covers, driver's side and passenger side, I do have these housing here for the lights. I decided to leave these ones alone, so buyer takes all. Okay, passenger side and driver's side both have those light housings on there. The vehicle doesn't have any working emergency equipment whatsoever. It's all street legal. Once again, this is going to be a 2015 Ford Taurus Police Interceptor 3.7 all-wheel drive with 117,000 miles. This is the other housing for the driver's side. Here you guys go. Vehicle does have one door ding right here on the pillar. On the roof right there. I'm probably going to put an antenna. I'm probably going to go with one of the black ones, what I call little trash cans antennas. Folks, what you see is what you are going to get. Very sharp looking car here. Vehicle does have new rear brakes and rotors. You can see it right there. Super nice car. Scratches here from their duty belt. Here we go. Let's jump into the interior of the vehicle. Folks, as you guys can see, I do have a matching interior in near perfect condition. Matching rear seats. All seat belts and buckles are in place. Carpet interior on this unit. Vehicle does have carpet with OEM matching floor mats. What you see is what you're gonna get. No tears on the vehicle, on the inside of the vehicle whatsoever. I do have 4 intact and perfect door panels all around. Perfect door panels, folks. Mosquito, get out of here. Driver's side seat is in perfect condition. Passenger side seat, I don't think anyone ever sat there, is in perfect condition, almost new. So you guys can see the vehicle does have a factory alarm 2 fobs, 2 keys. Honk does work, cruise control does work. Everything works in the vehicle. The steering wheel has a nice little texture to it, not beat. So what you see is what you guys are gonna get. Let's get inside. All right, let's fire her up. Let me clean this up here for you guys. Let me clear out the little warning signs here that's telling me that the doors are open. Vehicle does have 117,000 miles with 3112 idle hours. There you go. Sorry, I was too far out. What you see is what you're gonna get, folks. Stereo does work. Stereo does work, folks. Super cold air conditioner, very cold air conditioner on this one. Cup holder. What you see is what you're gonna get. Cigarette lighters do work, which are these two right here. This is an open box. This is how the vehicle came. You can put a cover there if you want. I'm gonna leave it alone. So again, this is all we see here. USB connection. This is the auxiliary line in. Everything does work, for folks. Vehicle does have a backup camera, as I mentioned earlier. There it is. All right, there it is. Fully functional, very clear. Fully functional and very clear. What else? What else? What else? Am I forgetting anything? I hope not. Let's continue, folks. If I do forget something, I will be sure to mention it in my eBay ad, okay? My mind is going a million miles an hour. Oh, see, like I was saying. Let me get back inside. Ticket light do work. Ticket lights do work right there. Okay. For your glasses right there. White LED, red LED. There you go. Okay, now we can go to the trunk. Let me show you what we got to work with in the trunk here, folks. Let me clean this up. 7 minutes. I better hurry up. Lights do work. Everything does work on the vehicle, folks. Nice and roomy trunk. Full matching spare tire in the trunk. Hold down pen and floor jack are in place. What you see is what you're gonna get, folks. Not a penny less, not a penny more. New front brakes as well. New front brakes. All right, one hand. Let me see if I can get it done this time. I got it. All right, the clock is ticking. Let me continue. This is the engine bay, and as you guys can see, my detail crew did an amazing job bringing this vehicle back to life from what she was. I mean, she wasn't really that bad, but it's a day and night difference when my detail guys are done with it. Starting right to left, I do have a new air filter. Throttle body was servicing, cleaned out. I do have 6 Motorcraft Phantom spark plugs. Full synthetic 520 oil service was performed. Transmission service was also done on the vehicle. This is going to be a Motorcraft LV. Do not use anything else. That's what I put on this one. Also, the vehicle does have a new idler pulley, tensioner pulley, and a drive belt. Okay. The vehicle also does have a new Motorcraft cabin filter. Folks, I do have a lot of these parts in stock. Why? Because I go through these vehicles every other day and they all getting the same treatment. I do have some cars that are going to require a little bit more, and I do have what I need to give them that extra attention. Battery from the department, I did have that tested. I did have the battery tested, and is in good 100% healthy state, so no battery needed. All fluids were topped off. Window washer pretty much. Cooling level was full, so I didn't have to do anything to that. Both fans are working. Everything is working on the vehicle. Suspension is nice and tight, folks. And the vehicle does have brand new brakes all around. And on the rear, he's got new Motorcraft rotors and brakes. Well, all brakes are going to be Motorcraft, except with the rear, I did have to install the rear Motorcraft rotors. Once again, I do have these parts on standby, folks. I like to keep everything at my fingertips. That way I'm not having to wait around for anything. So I do buy my parts in bulk, just so you know. I have some customers asking me for receipts and invoices and all this stuff. And you know what, to be honest, guys, every time I go to the parts store and I place an order, it's gonna be over $1,000 worth of parts or more at that time. Let's not talk about tires. That gets expensive. All right, folks, one last final look at this beautiful 2015 Ford Taurus Police Interceptor with 117,000 miles, former Probation Department unit. Not beat. Vehicle doesn't have any funny noises whatsoever and no funny smells. Very quiet, very smooth, and nice and strong actually. The headlights light bulbs were replaced. I went ahead and I put a new set of Sylvania Silver Star on it, so it's a little bit brighter at night. All right, folks, this is it for me. If you guys have any questions, comments, please do not hesitate to give me a call, text me, email me. I prefer you call me or text me for a faster response. What you see is what you're gonna get, okay? Once again, folks, I set you up for success on another great looking car. All right, this is your guy, the Crown Victoria guy, signing off, also known as SoCal Police Cruisers. You guys have a blessed weekend out there. Please take care and God bless to you and family.